Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be reviewing an exciting product that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and why it could be perfect for you.
This pot has multiple functions: porridge, rice, soup. It can be a hot pot. You can steam eggs. You can steam quite literally anything you really wanted to. It's a very simple device. It's nice and easy with one lid for multiple different purposes. You are able to attach this in order to steam anything you want. Put the lid on, and it's got some steam holes in order to release so that your pot doesn't explode or do the annoying pot jiggle like that. In order to plug it in, it is, again, very, very simple. You're going to take your cord, very gently take this little bread tie off of it in order to store it later. And right here at the edge of the handle is where your plug-in is. You plug it right in very simply. This very simple pot with a very easy to read manual that comes with it that explains everything that you will need to know about your fancy little pot is very, very helpful. This here material is Teflon. It's nice and non-stick. You're not going to have any problems with your rice sticking to the bottom. In order to steam something, you're just going to take your little steamer tray right here, and it's got some nice little slots that will fit my eggs perfectly. I'm going to take my eggs and slip them right down there, just like so. Very simple and easy. Put on your lid, put some water in the bottom, and you'll have some perfectly steamed eggs in about 15 minutes. So in order to start it, you are going to preset warm. Right now your temperature is at 99. You click the plus button in order to increase the temperature, or the minus button in order to decrease your temperature. Function, it will give you the option for porridge, rice, or soup. Porridge, rice, or soup. We're going to put it on, you also get hot pot frying and the preset. We're going to put it on rice. Put some water in the bottom, very nice and simple. We're going to allow that to start steaming the eggs while I rinse my rice. We're going to put some rice in this and come back to check on it here in a minute.
Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description below. See you in the next video.